Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Alright, so right here I'm looking at the Euro USD daily chart, and you can see that the Euro USD has been range bound here for quite some time. In fact, it went range bound. In fact, you can see long term that this level here has been a solid support. Remember, I talked about in other videos that support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. So this became a solid support level, resistance level. When it finally broke through, it's kept up a level of support. 12800 was a level of support here. In fact, we'll draw that in. We got a nice little support level here. So I would expect a small bounce at that level. Let's darken that up a little bit. Okay, and one thing I'm going to do here as well is go look at forexfactory.com, and let's look at tomorrow's news. I want to make sure that we don't have a lot of potentially negative Euro news. We don't, and the reason we're looking at that is because if we had some Euro news that could cause this thing to move significantly, because I'm expecting this 128 level to have a somewhat of a bounce, at least a little bit of a bounce. In fact, let me draw a line here at 12800. It's a little tight in there. Yeah, you can even see right in here, it's definitely a key level. The bigger key level would be where it's at right now. The 12700 mark seems to be a little bit stronger. But I do expect a bounce. So here's what I would look at on this trade. If you want to take a shorter term trade, I would expect, because it's been range bound, and we can see that this thing has come down. In fact, I'm going to pull this down a little bit further because it seems like this is a better level right there at the 3120 area. That would have been a great opportunity to sell a few days ago. Now this thing is dropping, and I expect it to hit 12800, and then we should see a small bounce up. In fact, the 127.23, 127.20 area would probably be even a better opportunity for a bounce. 127, yeah, 127 actually is a little bit more solid level. So expect a couple areas of bouncing right here. If you want to, in fact, let's look at this candle here real quick. This candle hit and then it shot back up 35, let's see, quite a ways, 75 pips. I would almost say on this trade right here, because we don't have a lot of Euro negative news, as long as the Euro continues moving itself, and right now the average range, daily range on this pair is running, I don't have ATR set up on this, but on average this thing's moving 80 to 100 pips. So we are 90 pips away. So if this pair moved between now and tomorrow sometime 90 pips, that means it's already pushed its average daily range. And I've talked about this in some of the videos where price will tend to do a rubber band effect, especially once it's pushed down to its average daily range. So what I'm going to be doing is setting up two buy positions. One, a shorter term buy at 12800 with tighter stop, maybe a 40 pip stop, 40 pip, maybe a 60 pip profit target, and I'll watch that one very carefully. If I see price hesitating, I'll close out early. And a little bit longer term trade 12700. And of course, I'll probably end up buying at 127.12 because a lot of times it won't come all the way down to that level. So we're looking at two potential trades there. Short term, because it's got a solid base at 12800 for a small bounce, but we still are on the daily chart ranging down. So we don't want to be in that trade too long, but you can take a counter trade bounce. Okay, it has a small bounce off that line, and then we'll take a trade down here at 12700, probably 127.12 is what I usually take. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.